Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if YouTube history is missing. So to start, open YouTube app. Now from here, tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap on accounts at the top. So confirm the email matches your usual one. If you're logged into a different Google account or accidentally browsing while signed out, your history will look blank. So this is the number one cause, especially if you use multiple accounts. Now let's go back and click on the settings icon at the top right. Then scroll down and go to manage all history. Then from here, go to saving your YouTube history. Then scroll down. Now look for pause watch history. Now if it is enabled, that explains why nothing new appears. So YouTube lets you pause tracking entirely, and when it is on, nothing gets saved. So make sure you turn it off. Now next, close YouTube app and go to App Store or Play Store. Then search for YouTube app. And from here, if you see an update button, just click on it. And once updated, go back to YouTube. So make sure you're using the latest version and see if that solves the problem. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.